Hopefully you've downloaded the brushes and they are ready to use and sitting in your brush palette. So let's go over to the brushes, grab our brush tool, go up to the brush sizes, and over here there's this little flower symbol. Go down and find your brushes that you want to use, and for this one we're going to use the where is it? The fairy wings. And it's going to ask you if you want to replace your brushes with the fairy wings brushes, and click OK. And now you're going to see all of these fairy wing that's kind of hard to say, brushes come up. Now if you'll notice, they all have sizes underneath them, and these are the size that they were created at. So you can't use them any larger than that, but you can use them at a smaller size. For example, if we were to click on this one, you now have the outline of the brush. It shows you sort of what it's going to look like. You can mess around with the size on that, and you can use it at a smaller size. You can never use it as a larger size though, because it starts looking really pixelated. So for this one, I'm thinking that these ones are going to be really pretty. Now we just don't want to plop these down over the top of the wings. We want to create a new layer in case we want to make any adjustments, then we haven't ruined the wings. And then this packet of brushes comes with the left and right wing. And I don't want to lay those on the same layer because I want to be able to adjust the tilt. So I'm going to create a new layer and lay that brush down. And the color that I have right now is sort of a yellowish color, a light yellow that I'm using. And I like the way that looks. And then I'm going to tilt that left wing by hitting Command T, just so it's a little bit more in line with that other wing. And I'm also going to shrink it down just a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same with this other wing. Let's bring that down a little bit. There we go. Okay, and now I'm going to try one more wing. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to create another layer on top of those two, and this time I'm going to use white. Maybe this one. I like that big swirly thing at the top. And that opacity is set at 50. Let's pull it back up to 100. Ooh, 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 ooh. There we go. That's beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. And we're going to make that just a little bit smaller. Okay, and then we're going to create one more layer. And we're going to grab the left side of that wing, which is right here. And then we're going to make that one a little bit smaller. And we're going to tilt it just a little bit. Okay. And then hit save. I should have mentioned this earlier, but you always want to be saving your work. I have my Photoshop set on auto save. It saves about every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes.